Take a look at OPPO's S2. Today we're doing an unboxing video. Last time, my friends. Let's open it. Moreover, this watch strap is so cool, I'm telling you. With a small film, it's very lightweight. Very lightweight. Listen up, not bad, not bad. How many is this? Sorry. Wow, I thought it was transparent, let me tell you. Let's see what's inside here. There's a charger in here, I think. There's a charger in here. Watch XS. No, watch S. Why is my English not good? How to put it on. Okay, just say hello, welcome. Later, the strap length. This strap is quite long. This strap is quite long. I must say it's not short. It's not moving at all because I haven't tried it on yet.
It even has an edge cover. This is the edge cover. This watch strap is really good. It's breathable, very breathable. This part can't move anymore. Then move on. Okay, not bad, not bad.